into your drawers. You can do it. You know you can too. Whoops. Hit a tire? What's going on? Can I help you?
No, here, watch. We'll get him.
You'll do it. Oops.
Come here, kiddo.
Are you showing off now? Showing off? And a company. Go ahead.
Good job. Good job.
That's awesome.
Attaboy.
I'm watching. I'm watching you. Go ahead. Yay. You go.
Good job, Matt.
No, don't throw that over. Don't you want to keep it?